Hi and welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'll brown stew a black sea bass. In this pan I have the sea bass washed and cut up. I'm gonna apply some spices. First I'm gonna put a tablespoon black pepper on the pieces. Okay. I'll also add a tablespoon Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning in all the pieces. And just rub them in. Then I'll add a teaspoon of salt, I rub it in, and I put them to marinate for 30 minutes. These are the vegetable seasoning I have for my brown stew black sea bass. Right here I got some red onions, I got some scallion cut up right here, I got some red bell pepper here, I got some green bell pepper here. Also I got a piece of ginger chopped up and some garlic. I also will be adding some pimento, allspice. In this Dutch pot or Dutch oven, I got 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'll be browning the pieces in this pot. The oil got to be hot, and that is to prevent the pieces of fish from sticking. Okay, I'll be adding the fish to the oil now. These pieces of fish will be browned for 3 minutes on each side. This is the color of the browned fish pieces, golden brown. How lovely those pieces look. Also, they have a great aroma. After I finish browning them, then I'll be frying up the vegetables. Then we'll stew them down, and that is how simple it is. Very simple and very delicious. Okay, I've browned the pieces of the sea bass. Look how lovely they look. Wonderful. This is how they look. Nice and lovely. Lovely sea bass. Now, I'm gonna fry up the vegetables and the pimento, allspice. First I put the pimento in. That's it. About a tablespoonful. Then I put the ginger and the garlic. Stir that in. Medium heat. That's the way to do it. Wow. Then I had the rest of the vegetables. The onions, green pepper, the red pepper, and the scallions. That's the way to do it. Oh, lovely. Okay, I'll be adding some Worcestershire sauce to the pot. About a teaspoon. Some soy sauce. Another teaspoon. And some white vinegar. Another teaspoon. So now mix this all up. Now I'm gonna add enough water to cover the fish pieces. After doing that, I'm gonna mix it up. I gotta add salt to taste. I'll be adding a teaspoon of salt. Then I'll bring this to a boil. Just like that. Then I'll add the fish pieces. Like that. And I'll cover this and boil it for 5 minutes, and that's it. Wow, how lovely. That brown stew black sea bass looks. Magnificent. Magnificent. Oh my goodness. This is it. The final of the black sea bass. Brown stew. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always know, I appreciate you all, my viewers, and I'll really compensate you in time to come. Thank you all.